What's up, everybody? Back here doing a little tutorial video on how to get a door panel off of a 98 through 2006 and the 2007 classic Silverados. Also go in there Tahoes, Escalades, Suburbans, basically any GMT 800. This is how to remove it without hopefully breaking anything. Do not remove this. There's no screws underneath this. There is sometimes a screw holding it down in the front here. If you do that, you'll bust the little mounting tab off and pretty much ruin this switch cluster. There's also a clip back here, and it's a lot easier to get to the clip from the underside. You can pull there's enough wire to pull it out and unhook it. There is also a screw up underneath here. I could probably show you. Yeah, right there. You do not need to remove that. That allows access to this. Now, what you do need to remove, you'll need some tools. You'll need either a 7mm nut driver or socket. I happen to have one on my Impact, and some panel removal tools. You don't have to have the panel removal tools, but they are handy. I've got this long flat one here. The first thing you need to do is take this off. There is a spot, there's a clip on this side here, which is up at the top right there, you can see it. And then there's a clip back here down the side a little bit. And as you can see, it fell right off. So might want to watch it so you don't scratch yours up. Mine looks pretty good, so it'll be all right. Now that gotta come off so your door panel can come up. These lift off. So the next thing is to grab, this is pretty much the easiest. You can do this all with a flat blade screwdriver if you're very careful. You get back here, and that'll pry forwards like that. Pops right out, like so. There is a screw right there, a 7mm screw. That will come out and allow you to lift this up after you take this out here. Once you take these two bolts out, the door panel will lift. You have to remove this. There is one clip on this, and as you can see, I was able to remove it with my hand. There is 3 plastic clips and 1 metal clip, or 2 plastic clips, 1 metal clip. And mine fell right down the door panel. Perfect. Doing this one hand is a pain. There's actually more than that. There's one broke on mine, but there's 2 clips there. That one slides up in there. It's a notched panel that's easy to get off. And now you just take the 2 screws out. I'm going to do this without trying to lose them. Doing this one hand is fun. As you can see, mine's right there. I'm going to put that down, grab that, pull that out, lay that down there. And getting this one with this deep socket's a pain, so I've got my 7mm nut driver. And even getting to it with it's a pain, so get it out. It's a long-winded one. Hold on, I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys down for a second. Like I said, long-winded, very long-winded screw. So now, to get this out, you have to be very careful of this light down here. You can damage the wiring because it's not that long. But all you pretty much do is pick up. The door panel comes down. Watch your door latch. My crossover fell out, which I did not install, so that's one of the reasons we are changing this up. It's not really easy to show you, and it's going to be upside down, and it's not going to be very bright. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect this down here. You got 2 options. There's a screw to disconnect, or a plug to disconnect, or it's got 2 tabbies that can disconnect too. So, and the bulb fries right out, and it looks like my bulb's burnt out. So, yes, I'm going to push you guys down again. Okay, as you can see, I got the door panel off. I'm going to show you these plugs real fast so you can know what you're looking at here. My latch is broken. This will set back like this. Gonna pry down on that little tab and pull these forwards, or not pry down, push down on the little tab, pull them forwards, and this will unlock it and let it slide out. It's setting up like this. Then there's a black, a blue, and this big plug here. These are hard to mess up. The wiring pretty much won't let you do it. It's not long enough. For some reason my seal is falling, or my plastic's falling out. But yeah, you see here's the two little push tabs. And yeah, then you can do whatever you want to do. Like I'm fixing my crossover networks and moving my tweeter out of my door panel up into the factory location. So yeah, that's how you remove the door panel on any GMT 800 series General Motor product. So thanks for watching.